Okay, it's my 2002 Suburban. I'm going to change out these headlights. I've already done one side. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. When you get these lights, what you need to think of is left hand and right hand is based on you sitting in the passenger seat. Don't be confused about standing in front of it. So when you get a left hand headlight, it would be what's on the left side when you are sitting in the passenger seat or driver's seat. So passenger side would be right hand, driver's side will be left hand. Here's part numbers. If you're interested in those, I can post them also. So this is a real simple fix and swap out. I wasn't going to do this, but I figured maybe there's somebody out there that's never done it. For this particular vehicle, it should work for these Silverados. I think 2000, 2006. This is my Suburban. You don't need any tools unless you want to take off part of this shroud right here. That's, but you can see how hazy these are. I'm going to pull 2 pins, remove this light, disconnect and change the wires, and it's done. So I hope it's helped somebody. Putting the pins back in for the new one maybe take a little longer than taking it apart, but you have 1 pin here and you have 1 pin right here. Take that pin and pull it out, set it to the side. They should be the same size. With those 2 pins out, you can now slide out the old light carefully, depending on how old or well you've taken care of the vehicle. These lights the wires could be a little crusty or corroded, so be careful when you pop these apart. I'm sorry I don't have the camera down there for you to see this, but there's plenty of people out there explaining to you how to disconnect wires for lights. It's just got that, just a little clip that you raise up, pull out, and those 2 are out. So you have these 2 right here, you disconnected. Let's see, this is a 9005 bulb, and I think this is a 9006. So the new lights we get, or I get, and when you order them, if you'll get a Kappa certified, wherever you get them from, these are Kappa certified lights. That means they're going to be better quality than non-certified. So you want to look for this label and ask for Kappa certified lights when you get your headlights. The ones I got came with the bulbs, so you can see the difference. And these 2, okay, are relatively identical, but man, they should be a whole lot better going down the road at night. So when you go to put this back in, go ahead and connect your lights right there. That side back in, pop that side back in, slide it back into the hole carefully without pinching any wires. Okay, so I'm in the slot. Now take your first pin. Don't miss the hole, because you can actually lean this out too far and miss the connector right there. And then it's going to look kind of odd when you put it together. It might be loose. So make sure your holes are lined up. And it's getting to that second hole in the bottom sometimes a little hard right there when you finally find the right spot. And then it's in there. It's as easy as snipping it, sliding it around. Get your second one. Do the same way. Push your light in, line up the holes. Slide that pin in. Might be a little on a newer light. You might run into this. What I did on the other side, just took a second to hit that hole. I think that's it right there. Make sure they're kind of snug and they don't wiggle back and forth. You can make an adjustment here on the in and out of the directional beam later by adjusting this screw. I'm not going into all that right now. Just want to show you how simple it was to put in a new headlight on my old Suburban. And it's that simple. I hope it helps somebody. Have a good one.